What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making KFC honey barbecue wings. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need chicken wings, eggs, flour, cornstarch, baking powder, milk, honey, original barbecue sauce, liquid smoke, seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, and accent. Begin by seasoning the chicken wings with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, accent, and paprika. For the dry batter, combine 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and season with the same seasonings used to season the chicken, except for paprika. For the egg wash, combine 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and lightly season with seasoned oil. Coat the chicken wings in the dry batter, then egg wash, and lastly back into the dry batter. Allow the chicken to rest for 10 minutes. Fry for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden. For the sauce, combine 2 cups of barbecue sauce, a 1/2 cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Brush the sauce on the chicken wings. And there you have it, KFC honey barbecue wings. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.